So, hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear U Review. I'm Moose, and today we're doing an unboxing of something new and exciting, and something that hopefully will get me out and about and doing more exercise. And that is, I decided to do the old YouTube thing like all other YouTubers and get an electric vehicle. And the one I got is right here, the Lectric e-bikes comfort bundle. So we're gonna do an unboxing of this bad boy and see what's inside and let you know why I picked this bike. And so let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna crack this bad boy open. This is literally the bike, what it looks like from the profile view, and it made it look like a TV's in here. What knife am I gonna use? I'm gonna use the Ace Iona, the Giant Mouse Ace Iona, M390 blade. Awesome little EDC folder. I'll leave links in the description below if you want to pick one of these up. Great value, great for backpacking. So let's go. There we have it. This is the bike. In the box, I also got there's some foam pads and stuff. There's staples that are scraping my head. All right, this box is just like a block. Charger, electronics. I like how they just have all these little things. Let's actually crack that open first here. So inside, we have a owner's manual. Get to learn everything about it, and then the charging brick. So pretty cool. I think the battery's already installed into the bike, so we'll have to get that out and start charging it. So, yeah. Start moving. Looks like the handlebars aren't fully attached right now. That's fine. Let me actually put this open. It's open. So this is cool. The handlebars actually are like a D instead of a full circle. So it actually has a flat bracket in there. That'll prevent the handlebars from rotating in there. And it has a length measurement, so we can just open that up. Get that installed. Put this up. Practice. Almost there. There we have it. There we go. These are attached with a separate color zip tie. It's blue. Got 2 keys. Got 1 pedal. Oh, that's sick. Okay. That is so cool. And the comfort seat. I did get the upgraded comfort seat with the shock absorption. Just to make up for lack of suspension in the rear. It's kind of greasy though. Actually, it's very greasy. Which I'm not quite sure how that works, but it's there. Okay. And there you have it. That is the Lectric. It's called the Lectric Xp 2.0. So that's the unboxing. Like I said, came with the charger. The battery is already in here. You can charge it from the outside from this plug, and then be on your way. We'll actually do a quick test to see if this starts. And just so you know, the key port for it is underneath the bike somewhere. Oh, there it is. One side or the other. Slides in there. I believe that turns it on. That might not turn it on. So that locks that in. And there we go. We have power. I think it is clear, so let's see. There you have it. That is awesome. So we know it works. And there you go, guys. That's the unboxing. I'll let you know how my first ride goes and maybe get some other video. But that's the Lectric Xp 2.0.